All right, we are live, people. Let's go. We're live. Nice. Alrighty. Alrighty. It's time to begin. Let's go. Time to begin. Time to go live. Time to begin. Interesting day, by the way. Very interesting day. Again. Let me turn on my camera before we do. 10 minutes left to market open. Who's in the chat, by the way? Who's in the chat? Are you guys ready to trade? Are you guys ready to trade? This is Thursday. Let's go. We are smashing it. I'm gonna smash it. Who's in the chat? Come on. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening, wherever you're from. Thank you so much for 51 subs. Really appreciate you, everybody. Yeah. Nice. All right. So, very interesting day. Very interesting. Made new all-time highs on the ES here. All-time highs on the ES. Right there. Never been done before. ES going for new all-time highs. Let's go. Right, do we get a fake out? Okay, so we're gonna wait till 3 more minutes, and then we're gonna start I'm gonna start telling you guys what we should expect today and what moves I'm kind of looking to see. We're gonna begin the plan and the preparations for the market open. And that being said, you know, I want to pinpoint some things out. Very key level stuff, basically. Like, this is very important. Key level stuff. Some key points gonna be telling you guys about today and what I'm seeing, because I'm kind of like getting it. I'm kind of like seeing. Gotta be clear-minded. If you're not clear-minded, you cannot trade. How can you trade if you're not clear-minded? So how's everybody doing? How was yesterday for you? I did not trade FOMC. I did not trade FOMC. No. And by the way, FOMC yesterday was actually pretty boring. We didn't even get a 100-point move on the interest rate decision itself. I believe they hiked it with a 25 basis point. I believe they cut it. I think they cut it or kept it the same. But yeah, right now, I'm not really sure, guys. I'm like really skeptical. But FOMC, not fun yesterday. Really boring. No opportunities really. Good thing we did not trade yesterday at all, at least for me. And let's, CPI isn't. Last CPI we had, that was fun. That was really fun. But you wouldn't expect it. You'd be like, what? It's FOMC, like how can it not be fun? It's always so like brutal, so violent when the news comes out. Yeah, not this time. It really was ass cheeks. Okay? Really was ass cheeks. Like the stream if you guys like what you're seeing. Alright, let's get over the plan. Let's get over the plan. And we're having all-time highs. We made all-time highs yesterday. FOMC here right here at the initial rate statement, we did this, right? And guess what? Afterwards, we pumped because they kept it the same, or I think they lowered it down. The market felt pretty bullish, and it's still feeling it right now on the hourly chart. Daily chart making this boner candle here, new all-time highs still, as well as the ES. And it's pretty much here. I like this pullback. The fact that we pull back here, like right here, this is key level. It's key level. Previous resistance in two spots here, as you can see. Previous resistance. So, right now, what are we seeing? We're bullish on the 1 hour time frame, and we're kind of bearish on the 5-minute chart, semi bullish on the 15-minute, really bearish on all of them, looking like these bear flags are building out. The ES though, really want to pinpoint out the ES. The ES dumped below the VWAP while the Nasdaq is still above it, making this bearish form, meaning we might dump. We might have the same approximately the same setup that we had on, I believe, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Like one day we made that fat trade, that fat short. That's what's kind of happening now. And I want to see this dump into the 50s or lower. So will I take a short? The plan is get above the 700s. We look for a long. Get below, say, 73s. I get short. Okay. That's kind of the idea. So that's like my idea, and I think let's play on the plan today. Getting stopped out or not, we're gonna just take the setups. And I think for now, this bear flag right here is not being invalidated. In fact, it's holding, you know. But, you know, it's like we get above the 700s, we're pretty bullish. Same on the ES. It means on the ES we're gonna have to push quite hard if we're gonna get above something. We're having gaps on the everywhere here. We pre-market, as you can see, we closed yesterday at this price 589, and the pre-market is all the way here 595. We're having a gap to the downside here. I mean, right now we are pushing, and we officially have 2 minutes left before market open. So stick around for this. I'm gonna take I'm looking for being more inspired to take a short other than a long. I mean, we're kind of having approximately the same setup. So okay, time to switch quickly to my broker so that you can see, guys, my trades. Oh shit. There you go. And all right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set a stop here, getting filled. Stop at the recent highs. Looking for a move down here into the 40.38s. Not really sure it was the best idea, but if I get stopped out, I'm okay with that. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly cut down the camera so that it doesn't lag. 1 minute till market opens. The ES looks pretty short, pretty bearish, to be honest. Pretty damn bearish. We just need to crack these lows here. You need to just go through there, you know. We're at the all-time highs. Are we gonna pull back? Yes, we are. Is it today? Maybe not, but I'm looking to capitalize again on this. We keep holding there. My target is down there, 38. Are we gonna push above at market open? I hope not. Okay, how are we looking? How are we looking? Held there. Held the target. Hell yeah. Gonna move the stop here into the 85s. I'm just gonna let this thing play out. I think we got potential to get down there. You know, get quickly through there. I'm gonna move this easily break even. You know, I want this to go down there 38s. I would be really excited for the 38s. Of course, stops me break even. Okay, stop route break even. It's alright. Couldn't get through there. Couldn't get through the lows, just rejected there. Wiser to take the break even. It's much wiser to take the break even stop. And now we wait. What do we do now? We wait. Wait, 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 and wait. Easy. You gotta be patient. Either today it's a very choppy day, or it's a, you know, might be a good day. But bright side, we didn't lose anything. Just lost $2 from commissions, pretty much. Yeah, it's just from commissions and fees. Yeah, literally commissions and fees. Okay, so two things will be trying to happen today. Let me check out the charts real quick. Okay, we're breaking the highs here. Nice. Okay, so the hourly chart is indicating that we're pretty bullish. Now, the question is, are we going to follow up with this? Because the ES doesn't. The ES right now is trying to push as well. It's not in the dumpsters, but it's trying to push. It's trying, but it's like, It's awkward, to say the least. Okay, in the chat, say hello. Drop a like on the stream. Subscribe. Just gonna be patient. I want to be patient. I don't want to short this or do any stupid stuff. It's best that you walk away from the chart if you cannot hold your balls. See, pushing up there, 700s. Don't give in to your impulses, no matter what. Like I said, 700 push, getting bullish. And now I think it's time to look for a long. We took that short. Meh. If it cracked the lows, would have been great. Like right here, right there. Nope. It's alright. We didn't do it. It's alright. No worries about it. No harm done. Market always has opportunities going on, even when it seems like it doesn't. You know, someone else's trash, you know, a man's trash will be someone else's treasure. You know what they say. ES is dumping though, right now. The ES indicates strength to the downside. It indicates dumpster mode. So I'm like, tricky, tricky, very tricky. Gonna move my charts to the ES here. The ES really leading the Nasdaq. The ES recently it's been leading it. That's it. Now, can we drag the Nasdaq down with us, or are we just gonna be stuck in a chop or in wiki actions? Now, what is gonna happen? What will be happening? That's the question. ES not looking great either. Maybe I should add the ES here, just to, you know, use previous settings. 850 tick chart. You know what? I'm just trade mode. I'm gonna disable trade mode on the ES, and also disable contract details. And from the 850 minute chart, I'm gonna go to custom time. I'm gonna go to just simply 2-minute chart on the ES. As you can see, that's the ES. So what we're gonna do is just gonna do these candles, different color, body down, you know, like these this way. There you go. That's the ES, that's the Nasdaq. Nice. Okay, so the ES right now, if we choose to break, we should be moving somewhere. Nasdaq's trying to push. Remember, the all-time highs on Nasdaq up there, 764. We're right now literally 64 points away. Hourly chart looking good for a push. I'm telling you that. So the ES can also keep going. I don't see a reason not to go. But yeah, the ES having a laggy time. If the ES is lagging, the Nasdaq will surely be slowed down. I mean, this is no tradable action, that's for sure. What the fuck was that? It's gonna wave, you know. Don't even know, man. I don't even know what this shit is. I'm gonna keep the ES here. I'm gonna keep it. Check this out. Check the Nasdaq right now. Has no reason not to go. Just found support here. I mean, that was expected. If we had this setup a little bit earlier, like somewhere here, like this same setup somewhere here, would have worked out totally, even got more than we initially wanted. But since it was right there, I was like, not really. I'd prefer to take the break-even stop. Performance stats, literally break-even trades. No loss incurred. I'm keeping an eye on this. I actually think it's very good that I added the ES. Let me put a color on this. Yeah, nice. So that I can see the dot. Are we finally gonna decide to move from here? Or what are we gonna do? Brother, what are we gonna do? I would prefer some small little pullback before jumping in here. Gonna take a quick stab short. Aim the lows down there. There you go. The ES, if the moment the ES goes, the Nasdaq will be dragged. So now it's time to like short it. Right there. Stop is in the stop. Target's in the 43s. However, I want, in case this goes back up, because it's such choppy day, I do want to keep this low. Full 35 points would be so good if we got that. All right, it's going. Looks good. Oh my days, this is so good. Come on, take me there. 43s. Oh my god! Yo! Oh, oh my days, what a win! What a win! Oh my god, this was massive. What a short. Oh my god, boys. Wow. Oh yeah, this is gonna go. Oh my days. Wow. There you go. I mean, there you go. Have it handed to you on a plate. Look at this. My god. Oh my god, bro. Yo, we're having, dude, this is crazy. $169 up. We're actually officially up $251. The ES, like I said, the ES does not look. The ES holds it down. The Nasdaq gets dragged. It's as easy as that. There you go, full 35 points. How much did I hold that trade for? 2 minutes and 55 seconds. There you go. No, it's actually it's not possible. How did I what 2 minutes and 26 seconds? 1 minute? 1 minute and 28 seconds. Okay. Oh my god, the ES, bro. The ES, bro. The freaking ES. But wow. That's the trade. Took a small break even. Didn't just get long right here. Could you have gotten long here? No. Not long. There you go. That was the trade. Full 35 points. Who the frick saw that trade? Come on. I'm done today. Oh my. Wow. That was killer trade. Killer trade. Full 35 points win. No way. How much we made? 135 bucks. Dude. Dude. You couldn't have it better. Like we talked about. Exactly as we talked about. Like the idea was to short. I'm honestly gonna keep, from now on, I'm gonna keep the ES also on my chart before the market open. This really helps. Really, really helps. This really freaking helps. Wow, look at that. Oh my days, dude. I don't even need to do anything here anymore. Like, I'm genuinely done. 5-minute chart. Oh my, yeah, bro. Okay, GG's. Well done if you stuck to the plan. There you go. That was that. I mean, that was a delayed short. But yeah, what we did here is we trapped. We did some liquidity sweeps here. We sweeped it here. People who may have gotten short here got sweeped out, taken out of their stop losses here, then caught some longs, and then the actual dump happened. But dude, that was massive, massive, massive. This trade here, bro. Oh my days. This is huge. This is the exact type of setup that I wait to see. And today we took only 2 trades. Made some money. Made some money. 2 trades made money. Money, money, money. Look at that. Just look at that. And it's still going. My days. And it's still going. The ES as well. Following through with a perfect short. Like we talked about, just because the hourly, the greater time frames are bullish. I mean, it would be bullish considered if we were not at the all-time highs. Okay? And when we're at the all-time highs, when we make a good price, a new all-time high, we have a pullback. And that's the idea that I'm going to play for the next couple of, probably for the next week as well. Like tomorrow as well, same idea. Playing at the short side. If we get a long opportunity, fine. But I'll need to really see that it's there. But yeah, as long as it's not all-time high type of long opportunity, then yeah, obviously I might take it. But there you go, 35 points, full 35 points, 140. Wow, I'm still in shock from this trade. This was beautiful, beautiful trade. Wow. Not to mention, we actually kept going in the 600s here. Right there, 600s. There you go, 600s touched. ES following through there. 15-point fall. This was it. Made the money and leaving. No need to push the buttons now. You had another maybe short opportunity right here for another 35 points. But man, I'm happy with what I got today, man. I'm honestly the happiest man. Like, this is so satisfying. Look at this one. Look at this one. Maybe we sell to another short opportunity. Remember that we do have a gap to the downside to fill. Remember that. I mean, look what we did. Look what we did. Okay, I'm gonna shut down my broker. Look at that. Set up for another. What the fuck did I just say? Bro, not even the chop can get me now. Yo, I look forward to pass this account though. If we can pass it, we're gonna start with the actual like funded accounts. Like every single funded account. Wow, look at that. This is already a passed account. So it's this one that's left to pass. Yeah, okay. Just one more. I have to pay for that funded, for these two funded accounts though. I'm not sure when, but I have to do it. Okay. Okay. Now, let's move on and see something crazier. Okay? Something that happened before the market even opened and we talked about that idea. So right now what I'm gonna do is simply just cut the video, not the video, the chart, the execution platform, and now get ready for this shit. Watch this. Alright? So we talked about this level before the market opened, previous resistance, like that's the nearest resistance, and that was right here as well. This is actually right there as well. And we rejected at first. Yeah, we looked like we rejected here and here. But look what we did on the smaller time frames. Look what we did at the small time frames. 3-minute time frame, we retraced back into the 53s and moved down from the 53s into the 600s. Now, watch this. On the 1-minute chart, mini bear flag, retested, plummeted. And now we're kind of like doing the same thing. So now I'm curious to see, considering the QQQ just bounced from this pivot point. As long as the ES stays under here, yeah, we have a chance to dump. But if not, it's alright. We made the money. So GG's if you stuck to the plan. Have a nice clap the hands and pat yourself on the shoulders, boys. I am gonna turn on the music right now and I'm gonna head away for a little bit from the chart. I'm happy with today, so happy. Wow. I'm happy we did not lose money yesterday because today we made even more money. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Trading is a game of patience. Please understand this. The most patient man is gonna get a piece of the market. Not the market, is gonna get a piece of it. So please keep that in mind. Okay. Alright, boys. Gonna go for a little bit. Alright, I'll be back after 10 minutes. All right, I am back, boys. And honestly, couldn't have been a better day, boys. This is what I'm talking about. Be patient. It will pay. Just be patient. Even if not today, tomorrow, or even not tomorrow, after tomorrow. You'll get rewarded for this, boys. This is a game of patience and waiting. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I am gonna be moving to the next day. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Fresh Cash Friday. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade smart, be patient, be smart, be patient, do what makes sense. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday, the last day of the week. Love you guys so much. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the day. Don't do anything stupid. Get out of the market right now because it's choppy. The opportunities and the setup was there. If you didn't take it, go away. Just go. Just go. You'll have more. The market will always be here. So go.